This is the Alice in Chains Dirt Tapestry, and I wanted to give you a nice look at it. Looks great. Material is really light, feels good to the touch. This is not where it's going. I'm going to relocate it in the other room, but I wanted to show you on a wall all by itself. That way you can get a good look, see the size of it. There's the doorway. So it's quite a bit wider than the doorway. Very nice. Let me get a little closer. Very cool. This is a cool piece. I really like it. I hope you do too. I hope this helps. And you have yourself a wonderful day.